Spanked on D-Money before he died, had him getting low. Jakey in my pants, got me walking like I'm pigeon toe.
It's ISIS
Slubby bun, I'm on that time, that's what I'm spinning for. Pocket 6 times, had him squirming, crawling.
What is going on, guys? Stance Style back at it again with another video. We are here in the garage. We got a project ongoing. So today's video, we are going to be doing, as you can see, I'm sweaty. We're already doing some stuff outside. I ended up clear coating the new lip. Girlfriend went crazy. Actually, I'm gonna pick this up. So for the rear lip now, guys, we engraved it. I did not like the regular just line. It was never prepped correctly when it was painted. The paint chipped off like it was just flaking off. So had to prep it correctly, repainted it, got it done. It's all right, whatever. Anyways, so did that. And now we are doing this livery. So what we have to do is, this livery is kind of complicated. If you guys look, it's just a bunch of little pieces. So basically what we have is, we have a picture on her phone and we have a bunch of the individual little pieces. We're gonna place them. We're gonna tape them up first. Tape them up, get a look for what it's gonna look like, and then we'll wet apply them. They have to be wet applied. And the cool thing is, here's the car. I got the side skirts on too, guys. It looks crazy. But came with a color matched squeegee. So color match. So look at that. That is freaking awesome. So now this is my personal squeegee. Yeah. So let's get into placing this livery. Hopefully you guys enjoy. You guys have been showing tons of love recently, and I really appreciate that. Let's get into this freaking livery. Alright guys, quick little pause in the video here. Not what I expected. As you can see, I'm actually all fitted the heck up right now. But the car is dead. I have no clue why. But I wanted to give a special shout out. It actually works out perfectly. So, Oxylem jump starter. They sent this out to me, guys. We're about to do a quick little review, quick little test on it. See if it can jump static TT. Here's proof of the vehicle being dead for whatever reason. Just so you guys know, you believe me? Nothing. So we're gonna put the jump starter on and see if she works. All right, so I'm really glad it actually came charged. So it already has charge in it. Really compact. So this is actually exciting. Little Oxylem case. Sorry if I'm butchering that name. We're gonna hook her up and we'll see if she works. All right. Oh, on right now. It's giving it the car power. I know that for sure because that light turned on. We're gonna start it up. Actually, I gotta pop this garage door because I don't want to gas myself out in here. All right. Boom. So yeah, thank you very much. Actually, thank you very much for sending this out. It works. Yeah, I got all these lights on the car, so I actually am not sure why it's dead. I might have to look into that, but if not, I'm just gonna keep bringing this so I can plug it in every time. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little part. Sorry I had to plug this in, or not sorry actually, it's actually clutch, so you know, whatever. But I will catch you guys. We're still continuing the livery. I'll get back to you when I pick up the camera for the livery. All right, so this is the first piece. We got the star. So this is actually called a wisteria livery. So this is clear, guys. This is actually a clear vinyl, which is pretty cool. So it's gonna be subtle, but it's still gonna be there at certain like reflections. So this is an important piece. This is gonna be the first piece. This is where I'm gonna start this. Let me get a reference picture here real quick. Check out the phone, guys. It's pretty lit. It's got my car on it, but starts off with a star and then goes into a piece and then goes into another piece. So it should not be too hard. Star usually starts down by the people's side skirt. So like, yeah, right down, like right there. And we have a bunch of little stars to add. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start it right here. Or I could just start it. What if I just started it right here just to not make it complicated? Boom. All right, so first piece is on. So basically that's gonna be the start. Now we're gonna grab the second piece, put it on, get it all popped up. Let's keep going. All right, so we found our second piece of the puzzle. So we're gonna go add this. So this is, you got the star, and then you got the sharp little double blade swoopy swoop. Call it. Thought it was gonna rain, so I was really mad. I'm honestly just gonna go based off of how she has it designed. Tetra World is the one who made this livery.
That's gonna look so cool.
Oh. What the heck? Next piece. So now we got the heart going into line. That's what I'm gonna call it. The heart going into line. So we have the heart. This looks like a heart. So it looks like this goes right below that line. Kind of connects, honestly. They kind of overlap.
It also doesn't have to be exactly like hers.
Be like that.
That looks cool.
Yeah. It doesn't overcomplicate it and put it on the skirt. I'd rather just keep it off the side skirt. Called this one the antler. We got the long swoopy swoop. Long swoopy swoop. I've gotten 4 neighbors have came up to me and said this thing is sweet. Grandma, you guys all showed love to Grammy. Grammy came by and she said she's gonna come up with a name for the car. So she's out walking right now. She'll come back and she'll have a name. So, all right, there goes Antler.
Yeah.
And then swoopy swoop right off the top. Guys, how does it look? How does it look?
Looks good.
We got the main 4 pieces down, so you have to wet install this, so it's like a mix of alcohol and water. Let's get into actually laying this down, and we'll see what it freaking looks like. I'm hyped to see without all the white. Let's see what the ghost livery looks like. All right, guys. Well, this is me installing a livery. I've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. It's already dirty. My finger. What the fuck? Look at that brown, bruh. Look at that. A little time skip. We went to town a little bit. That's what she looks like. Just the little edges. I'm gonna go over these with heat. It's very subtle, but you can see it, I think, at some angles. But yeah, we're trying to going at it and just freestyling it, and hopefully it turns out good. So we're gonna keep going, and I'll keep picking up the camera when I think I can show you guys. Yeah, guys, this is extremely subtle. I think it'll look cool at like a gas station, and it's getting really dark right now, so now it's like really hard for me to show you guys. It's there. It's just not on camera, so this kind of looks very underwhelming for you guys, but it looks cool though. Like, I really like it. We're gonna keep going, and hopefully you guys can see it more once it goes all the way up to here. I think once it's up here using the reflection, you'll be able to see it more. Guys, so we're finally getting up to the top part. This is probably where like you're gonna see it more. Because honestly, this is a pain, guys. So like it's clear, so any bit of contaminants, look what's here. The trailer's here. So trailer's here, so we're gonna load this thing up soon, but yeah, like I was saying, it's clear, so any bit you touch, you can see it. So it's really hard to keep your hands clean and get no contaminants inside the vinyl. I'm gonna lock in real quick and have my girlfriend help me, and then I will pick up the camera after this one's on. All right, guys, here's this one. Here she is, going right there, but very subtle, but it's there. Maybe even if I put the flash on, you'll be able to see it more, but we're gonna go up to the pieces here. We have so many pieces to go up into here. I'm very excited to go up into here. All right, guys, check it out. Went crazy. Right here.
Can't see shit.
Guys, it's there.
It's because there's no lighting at all.
No light on it. It goes all the way up here. Like,
it looks really...
Shine up here. Like, you can see it up here, though. Yeah, you can see that. And then it goes all the way down here, guys. Right now, Kyle's cracking the code. We're hacking the system. He's hacking that shit in there. Now... it's getting dark, so we got all the main pieces on. We still have a bunch of little pieces. We're gonna go do those after we do the main pieces over here, because I got a show in a few hours. In like a day, I'll be there, 12 hours. It's blank right now, so we're gonna get the main pieces set on this, and then we'll start doing the little pieces, and then we're gonna load it up. We got the trailer right there. Let's just keep grinding. All right, guys, so it got really dark really fast. The livery was being a pain, so I'm gonna get back to the livery tomorrow. Right now we're about to load up the car, so I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, this is nighttime. It is 2 days after Poconos. It is now the Monday after the Saturday of the Poconos. We just got to work, put some work done on the livery. Sitting here grinding this out. I'm trying to get this thing ready for ASM now, so I kind of did some off-camera stuff. Got this livery up to here now. Really good. I'm actually pretty proud of all my work here. Everything looks pretty even. It's pretty hard to line up on both sides, making them even. We go down here. It's all down here too, but it's here. It's very subtle. You see it at certain lights. I just wanted to update you guys here. We're gonna pull this back in the garage. You'll get a better look at it when it's in the light, but I just want to pick up the camera, keep it updated. Gonna keep on grinding this, and then we're gonna get the finished product, and then that'll probably be the video. So yeah, let's keep going, guys. Here it is in the light. Got the, you can kind of see it there. I don't know. With this camera, it's really hard, but you know, you guys see this in person. It's like a little Easter egg for you guys. It even goes down on the side skirt on both sides. Got it right here. You definitely barely see it here. It even goes on this rear bumper. I love on the rear bumper. So once we get it on both sides, it's gonna look sick. And then we have a bunch extra little stars and stuff to also put on it. So ASM, it's gonna look dope. So I will get you guys back when I pick up the camera again and I'm working on it again. All right, guys, it has been approximately like 3, 4, 5 days or so. I don't even remember when I picked up this camera last, but we got the rest of the livery. This is actually a day before I leave for Atlantic City. This video is gonna be uploaded in 2 days. So I'm gonna edit this tonight. We're grinding out. It's the life of Mr. Beast. If you guys wanna come over here, my girlfriend went absolutely crazy on this freaking lip. After clean culture, we weren't too happy. Well, we were happy, I was happy. She was not happy. She needed to do more to this lip, so I said, do it. So we got way more on this lip, guys. The details are crazy. We have this whole entire side piece now, spiderweb included. This is all etched, by the way, this is all etched. That's ideas. We got spiders here. Here. That one was already there. Here. 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 2 more spider webs. I got spiders crawling on my sigilism, guys. Like, look at it. Oh my god. I'm part of the car. Anyways, spiders. And then it gets even over here. It's just tough. I just sprayed clear on it too. Oh. Damn, really, bro? That's actually. Alright, technical difficulties. Y'all saw the clear coat got a little screwed up, but it's okay. Check it out now, guys. Where is the damage? It's not even there. But by the way, yeah, this was resprayed. Didn't actually smooth it out before we sprayed it with silver. So that's why I'm really glazing myself right now. Y'all can't even see this shit, bro. Alright, anyways. The main piece is already on, and then we kind of got like accessory pieces, and we're just gonna go off of the old dome. This is off the dome. This is no inspiration pictures. We're just gonna put it where we think it'll look good. Got these hood pieces. These are supposed to go on the hood. Potential World made these. I don't know if I want to split the line. You know what I mean? Like split this silver right here. What do you think it'd look like if I went over the silver? I don't know if it like going up and then down. If we just like do it like right here. Super aggressive piece. These are hard to figure out. I don't know where we're gonna put this. But yeah, we're just gonna get into this real quick. I'll be right back when some pieces are on. Alright guys, next piece is on. Show them this piece right here. Very subtle.
No idea if they can see it.
Yeah, well, if you guys can't see it, yeah, it's there. You'll see it in person. This whole video is like useless then, but if you saw this car in person, you would see it. So that piece is on. Now we're going to get into, honestly, just a lot of the detail ones and 2 pretty large ones. Next frame, you're gonna see, you guys aren't probably gonna see, but 2 more pieces right here. Alright guys, check it out. Maybe if you could see it, if there's any reflective angles that can show it off there. It's very dark, very subtle. I wasn't hearing it out because like there weren't many pieces on it, but now there's a lot of pieces, you can kind of actually see it. It's subtle, but it's subtle enough to where I'm already doing way too much. So, I mean, I don't think I'm doing just the right amount. So if you look, we got these big hood pieces, and then this is an extra, so we're not gonna use that. And then we just have these, which are just some like boomerang, a little star, and then a couple of little lines that we might just like add to it. I can already see where I probably will put one, but I'm gonna pick up the camera again, guys. You're gonna see more pieces right like around there, and maybe 1 or 2 like up there, like a star or something, I'm thinking. So, all right. Oh, let it focus, let it focus, let it focus. Wow, yeah, you guys can't see anything because I can't even see it. There's a lot more. Let me take you guys over here. But guys, through the phone camera, I can't even tell if you guys can see this, but I'm just gonna show you the angles. So the way I can describe it is we have the star going right up into here. We have this large piece here going around the door handle, goes up here, and it goes even all the way up to here. So it's just a lot. It's a lot more going on. So there it is. Now all we have is just a bunch of little lines. You guys are gonna be in ASM. The video is gonna drop the night of ASM, so you guys won't have been there. And we also have these individual line pieces. Those are kind of just gonna go. Thinking star right here. And 1 of those individual lines just to kind of fill this spot right here. And then Livery is freaking done, guys. JDM AF. JDM AF. Alright guys, we got a bonus thing. Livery is done. Honestly, I'm not even gonna bother trying to show you guys in this light. You'll see it when you see it. Anyways, shout out Ordinary. Hooked it up with a bunch of stickers. Volatile. Volatile. Okay, there we go. Heat sent me out another one. So with a mini Uzi, hard. So, we got a pack from Young and Dumb, so we're gonna plop these on here. We're gonna put some on the 3rd window. Not gonna fill it all up. I still got more stickers coming, but I just wanted to put a few on here quick. Shout out Heat. Got another one. This sticker is Heat. This mini Uzi's tough. That's Heat. Forgot a few brands when I was mentioning them. Shout out Skanka. He runs Magic. Put his Magic sticker on there, and I put his Last Dance sticker on there. Also, shout out Ordinary. I put the O block. Oh, and Stellar gave me a sticker at Clean Culture, so I chucked the skull up here. I think it looks sick. I am throwing Young and Dumb on here. Oh my god, I am hungry. Shout out Young and Dumb. Man, Josh, you are the man. Oh, shout out Josh though. That's my Hoover. Hoover with a camera. Hoover with a camera. Let's see. Let's rate your quality of sticker, Josh. Sometimes it's a struggle to get these backings off. Ooh.
Easiest one.
Ooh, easiest one yet, dude. Okay. I can do here, or I can do up there. What should I do?
I think.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Look at that. Easily. Oh. Not easily removable. No, not Young and Dumb. I won't let this happen, Josh. Stop. No. Oh. All right, whatever. It's all good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna fix this. Nah, I got you, bruh. I fixed it. But yeah, heat, young and dumb. Still got more to add there. But you know, we're continuing the bomb. If anyone wants to send any out, let me know. DM me on IG. I'm probably not gonna go over to there because I do kind of like the split look I have going here. The only reason I took some off is because I ran too many. Like I already had hated. The only ones I took off were duplicates. Sticker bomb, the whole dang car. I can't wait to run more here. Got some heat coming there, not to mention heat, but yeah. I think we might be good for the video here, so. All right, guys, so I just recorded a whole entire outro. I even spoke to you guys. I said thank you very much. I'm gonna do it again. Retake. Thank you guys for freaking watching the most recent videos. You guys have been killing it. Each video has been getting consistent over 1,000 views, which is crazy. We've come so far since September, and we're only going farther. So keep subscribing, hit the comment button, type anything in the comment section. I don't care. Turn post notifications on, obviously. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Shout out all the brands that I just put on the whip. Also, livery's on. You guys can't see it very well, but if you come see the car in person, you will see the livery. So make sure you guys pop out, man. Pop out to an event. Yeah, I will be there. I just looked over to the left, and the neighbors are watching me record this freaking outro. They just got really awkward, but I don't give a shit. I'm going to see you guys in the next freaking video. Thank you guys for showing all the love, and Stand Style out. See you guys later.